How to find change email settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find change your email settings on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer and now click this icon in the top corner, and then click account management, and here you will find this one, change your email. Then click on it, and then here you can change it. Just click on it and click send code, and you can change it easily. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.